So what have we been working on in the shed? Well, got these motors for the windscreen wiper, and as you can see in there, try and do a close up, all this nasty gunge is going to be cleared out before we put a power to it to see if it actually does work. But they're very hard to come by, so it's good to have those. And the other thing, walk it this way, got these little lights I found, little glass ones, beautiful little things, need obviously cleaning up, but these are for the number plate lights, so they'll sit above it, but I reckon they'll come up quite nicely. I'll put them on the polishing wheel. That's aluminium, so that should polish up nicely. I don't know if I use these original things here, and they've got the old Edison screw type bulb, and there's the holders. I wonder if it might be better off just putting LEDs in them. Anyway, that's way down the track. But anyway, good little find. And these will look quite good on the back of the Dart. Particularly as the Dart we have here doesn't have a bumper bar on the back, so you can't put the inset ones, so it'll sit on the back of the car and they'll look really neat. So there you go. Yep, I thought I'd buff this up and see how well it comes up. It should be right. It's aluminium. We'll use the buffing wheel, see how we go. Pretty good. The next thing to clean up is the glass, which is pretty disgusting. Suppose it's been sitting out in the weather for 15 or so years, 20 years. Suppose it's as clean as it was, maybe. Jeez, you wouldn't want to break these, you'd never get another one, would you? No way. bit cleaner. So that's better than how we started. We've got both of them done now. Look at that. Look at a lot better. It's terrific. Oh, another bit done.